Diplomacy works. I need to buy it to I think you're a team on wood. Take it to me, give it a can into a winter. You can't. You don't go this. This way. This way. Well,
Mimi nasikia sisi tunaambiwa kama jamii ya Wakamba hatutaki maendeleo. Mimi kama gavana wa Machakos hakuna hata siku moja nimewahi kataa maendeleo. Nikitishwa mashamba ya soko mimi napatiana soko nijengewe. I already gave 15 of them na masoko yanajengwa. Barabara nikaitishwa zile zote stalled, nikapatiana list ya barabara zote zile zimestall Machakos County. Kwa hivyo mimi najiongelea kama governor wa Machakos, and even for the other 3 governors from Machakos County. That is Mutula Kilonzo and Malombe, and I as the chairperson of SEKEB, as we are not atupingi maendeleo yoyote. Ile maendeleo yote inataka kuletwa Machakos County, ipelekwe Kitui, ipelekwe Makueni, iletwe, because our people are also taxpayers. Our people are paying money. They are paying taxes. Why would we fight maendeleo ikiletwa Ukambani? Hakuna mtu anapigana na maendeleo hapa. You know, we have started the Governor Wavinya Cup, 3rd edition, which you are saying is bigger and better. Let all the teams get involved. Every weekend we'll just be busy in Machakos County. Look at the timetable, who is playing when, so that you can be mwende huko mkashabikie team zenu, yeah, and we are going to be busy from now until 13th of December. Kwa hivyo tafadhali muingie kwa hizo tournaments tucheze. I really like to take this opportunity to congratulate Chebet for the double gold. That is a win for Kenya, and we are very proud of her. And this is why we are telling women should get into sports. See what all these ladies are doing. Please, all the women get into sports. Sports means money. Yeah, as the men get into sports, women get into sports. And congratulations to Kenya. We are doing very well.